We will tell you how the nomads prepare horse milk. The goal of my cha to milk a horse, its foals are tied up. If not tied, the horse won't produce milk. Nell is to show the life of nomads. In the early morning, they drive the horses back to the house, and at night, the horses graze on the mountain that is visible over there. The foals don't want to be caught and run away. They resist being tied, so they are tricked into being caught. These horses have been captured for 10 days. When they are first caught, many people ride horses and chase them to capture them. The horses don't want to be caught while taking their foals away. They don't like seeing their foals tied up all day, and they want to go to the mountains.
Бәдөгей. Бірақ қолым бар ма? Байлап тұрам міне. Байлап жатыр ғой. Ат болады қолынан осы. Ой, ұраш болса ат болады. Ноқтасы жоқ бұл.
If the foal is not tied with its head down, it will drink its mother's milk. If it nurses from the mother, what will we drink? There are some who ask why you torture the horses. This is the main food of the nomads. The mountainous area is cold, and you can only survive here by drinking horse milk. Without horse milk, you will catch a cold and get sick.